Hey everybody, and hope you're having a happy new year. I hope you're having a good Saturday. Today we decided to go with some friends to AachenGermany where there are some tank remnants. So I thought we'd bring you along with us. Let's go check it out. Hey everyone, and welcome to my very favorite Middle Eastern grocery store in Aachen. This is Palmyra Market. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is where we normally go if we're going to get Middle Eastern food. And this day we were going to because we wanted to make some of Sharif's family's special recipes. So we went to the Middle Eastern grocery store this week to get a couple of things for New Year's Eve dinner. We're going to be making Tabbouleh, Kobeba, and but before I get started on that, I thought I would give you a little mini haul of the food that we bought from the Middle Eastern grocery store for today. So here's what we got. As always, the prices will be in the description below. We got these sesame breadsticks, which are really good. It's a giant box of them. Of course, we got lots of, you can even see in here, we got lots of pita bread. We got tahina, which is sesame seed paste. Sour pickles, hot peppers that are pickled, stuffed olives, fava beans, and they are the Egyptian recipe. And we'll have this not tonight, but tomorrow for breakfast. We'll have fool, which is a bean and pita bread breakfast, which is really tasty. I've never tried these ones before. Usually I get the pre-made ones, but these ones you just shape them into, oh, it's so shiny. This one you just shape into falafel. Two different kinds of lebna, which is kind of like a very thick yogurt. And really good with everything. We're gonna mix this with lemon and garlic, I believe. Planning to get this, but Sharif saw and he wanted to try it. We got two different kinds of pastrma, which is like and then lastly, I'm not gonna show you, but we got 1 whole kilo or about 2.2 pounds of ground lamb, which is the main ingredient for the Kobeba, which I'm making tonight. So let's start cooking. believe it, it's finally snowing here. I didn't think it was going to happen. We did have snow one day, but it was just like the snow that melts immediately after falling on the ground. But look at this, we had actual snow, and we took full advantage. We went out the second we woke up, and we played in the snow for quite a while, maybe too long, but it was really happy to see it.